Good day sa inyong lahat. So nandito ako ngayon sa Umani Farm dito sa Koronadal City at ngayon magtutour tayo ano ba ang nasa loob ng farm na ito. So basically ang Umani Farm ay isang learning site. One of the learning sites dito sa Region 12, accredited by Agricultural Training Insitute. Ayan, Umani Farm. Umani Farm Incorporated, Sueno Farm, Borokhet, Nova, Barangay Paraiso, Koronadal City. Tutur na po si Bim, ang anak ng may-ari. So siya po ang ating tour guide ngayong araw na ito. Siya po si Bim.
With my new hair.
Yes, new hair. Kasi kakatapos ng gupitan niya ng kanina.
These are... Naya ko buhok no. Pakalagi ma'am. Siyempre, saan ko daw ay. And this is our amazing people.
Yes, say hi!
Hi! Diba?
So basically, because by tour, may mga inihandang mga pagkain dito. Sila. Ayan. So sabi ko ang specialty ng farm na ito is mga itik. Ayan. What's this ice candy? Ay, tubig.
Wait! Nangukad dito Charla. No. This is the kubo. This is the kubo. And
small house made of
Umani Farm. Yeah, gazebo. And
bamboo.
Siya parang masarap matulog dito.
And in the other side is the organic vegetable, eggplant,
Different vegetables. Ana na lang. Parang hindi na mag-isod ba?
Yeah.
Bes, tarong nga.
If you want to go there, yeah, let's go.
And it's all organic. Organic, diba?
Oh, this is Lagro.
Hi!
Hola, oh.
My vlog.
Duh!
This is my doghouse, you know, from the other side of town.
Meron po tayong special guest ngayong episode na ito. Ano pangalan?
Mayan.
Pwede mo na siya kwaon.
From Isuan.
Duh! Pretty! Ganun! Diba?
Ay, pwede mo na siya kwaon niya,
Ano?
artista mo sa mga two.
Duh! Musukol makaya ni.
Pwede.
Ah,
Wow, amazing. Oh, kay ambot
gamay pa.
Hindi, dito ang amon ni damo kalamansi sa other side. Other side.
Kailan na hectare ni inyo farm?
26 hectares.
So 26 hectares ang Umani Farm.
Ato dayo itong color green dito.
So, di ba? Asyendera talaga tong tour guide namin. Kasi malapad ang kanilang farm, di ba? Pwede kang magpagulong-gulong.
Anyway, hanggang dito na lang din tayo kasi
Bakit?
wala na tayo, hindi layo na tong tilapyahan. Pero anyway, just to see the organic vegetables, that's our organic garden, pero hindi pa siya kaayo lami
Because?
Under construction.
Yeah, under development pa siya.
Underdeveloped pala.
Tapos on the other side, 10,000 bibis inside. Pero we cannot enter the dragon because the people are not allowed there. Because the baby will be disturbed. Yeah.
The babies are shy.
They are for breeding purposes. The eggs are for breeding purposes. On the other side, it's for balut purposes naman the eggs.
So many purposes.
Yeah, many purpose. It has ES purposes.
Artista kay si ate.
Diba?
No more, we're gonna go there. Because the babies will get
No more, you will only see
mad.
our house.
Take a picture with the Umani. The babies will turn into
the Umani
dragon.
Sige, painit galor.
Painit is the bako.
Oh, bako, the bako. I want bako.
Siya. Hi, netizens. Anyang. These are the balut. These are the eggs. Yeah, that's our production for the day. Wala pa siya nasulod sa...
So mga raw pa na siya dahil.
Yeah, very raw.
Sweet na dito.
Sa itlog. Yeah, we will go to the hituan.
Wow. So many eggs.
So, balut.
Yes, Dai.
Amo na ang English. Amo na ginakabisir.
Of course, in this area, you will see the different types of houses of ducks.
Different types of
No, different types. Because
Where she comes the 20,000
the
BP.
growers needs to
Individually.
have comparison on what is, ano ganun economical houses of bibes. So they need to have
So there's locust housing?
yeah, there's yeah.
subdivision.
We will just go in this other side.
Because
You want to see first the bibes?
We want to see the different kinds of bibe.
No, we don't have the different kinds of bibi. We only have the Umani breed bibi.
Wow.
Da!
That's Umani. Yes. Exclusively.
Beshi na hinay lang ba?
May hinga na siya ng mga gusto na.
Uy, bibi! Yeah, that's the...
Wow! That's a lot.
Ala, Beshi, murag lami mong kong
I wanna join them. They seem so
As
happy.
you can see, they use bamboo fences on that area.
Hello, bibes.
Bim, Bim ang inong anik mo.
Kay bibe.
No!
Oo,
Is mallard crossbreed to Itik Pinas. Itik Pinas is a local, yes, it's from the Philippines. Local, yes.
mixed with mallard.
So bakit minimix? Crossbreed, bakit?
Because if you will have the Itik Pinas only, the bibis, if they will see people, they will go away. But the mallard, they stay. Yes, so they mix it together, and the bibis are not that,
They're normalized.
Yes. They're normalized, yes. Come on. Guys, kinanglan ko mag-English kay we have a foreigner inside the room. See, I need to speak in English.
So this is what you mentioned during our training, that we're going to hugging trees.
Yes,
Why
tree library.
Tree library.
Because it has different kinds of trees. This is the project of my beloved father. He wants to, the children of the children will see the different kinds of trees.
The actual photo of different trees.
Yes.
Amazing. Nice. Pero wala pa
Okay.
siya green label. What kind of trees?
Wala pa, kay very small trees pa lang siya. Perfect, no?
Perfect. Bigya. Kasi perfect. Hi, Natizen. Say hi, Natizen. Hi, Natizen.
Uy, nagpa-cute.
Dapat with label sa mga new trees that being planted.
Ito lang.
What's that again?
So, mate.
What's that again?
Mate, and when they are, pregnant, our workers will just
Again.
massage the stomach of the female stomach.
Para magawa sa mga itlog.
Yeah, and then the babies will go outside of their...
The eggs, right?
Yeah, the eggs.
The
Yeah,
eggs.
the eggs. Yeah.
That's the hito, right? Hito breeding something.
Din sila na. Amo na ila. Ay, ang hito.
Di lang ito nga nag-make. Wala. Wala din na ubos na.
Nagkapoy nun sila mo.
They are shy.
Pero where are the hitos daw?
Toto.
Yeah. Hito, by the way, is catfish in English. 24 hours of mating. After that, they will wrap the stomach.
Grabe, guys. Ubos energy, guys.
Go.
This is a flowing source of water for our different ponds. For our ponds. That's flowing. The water comes from beneath the ground.
How many feet?
sa mukha ko.
Bim, kasi ano kami daw? Mahulog. Kamu mahulog, tira. Ngayon kami kahoy ka.
Amo na yung hituan, Zay.
Yes. So guys, after the baby hito goes out from the mother, they will be transferred on that pan. Yeah,
Fry.
yeah, we call that fry. Yeah, the fingerlings, but I guess they have been removed in that area already.
So where are they?
On that side, the bigger pond.
Di na sila dahil dira-gid.
Hindi dira dito sa may tubig, guys.
Zay, wa mo nagdalag pa yung Zay, asang init sa...
Ayan, Zay.
Dahil wala dito nakahambal to. Dili, dahil. Dali, dili. Kamu.
I think murag marupok na. Hindi siya ano.
Hindi na siya marupok. Dira, Yel, mga dagko na ginada kayo nga mga hito. Dito tama munit. Hindi ta dira mamunit. Dito tama munit. Kung matak-an ako si ni Jerry, himuon ta ini nga swimming pool.
Perfect!
The fingerlings. Oo. And then the breeders is on that side. Yes, this way. On this side is the breeders. Diri na ta, guys. Come on, guys. Now you will see the different kinds of chickens.
Yan. That ko yan. Black as...
Alan, di tayo, oy.
Yeah,
Abo.
the right place.
Ano yung gusto ko, Bim?
Ha?
Ano yung gusto na ako niya? Bim?
Dili na
Wala
ba?
na, Bim?
Ano ma? Gusto mo ano ganin sina? Malechon? Rhode Island Red. Yes, this is the Rhode Island Red. And later on, this is the Silky. The famous Silky. The one that has, you know, socks in their feet. Yes.
Where? You have socks?
May ano sila, may mga balat.
Huh?
Ang vlogger mo na binili.
These are the people of Umani Farm, starting with our beautiful secretary, Madam Bing,
Sayha.
and our front leader, Benji. And this is our beautiful mother, Ate Maya, and who else? Just say hi.
Pakilala mong tanon, girl. Naulaw na sila.
That's our campsite.
Where?
Side.
Oh, it's quite big.
Yes. Pero not yet developed, guys. Come here. No, we will transfer them.
It's okay, gali.
It's okay. Ginala.
I don't like it. Ang dami-daming aquasya.
Yeah, that's our, improved monkey in the area of Umani.
Where? Can you speak?
Yes. That's our electrician, overall manager in our paradise.
Ganun.
And that is the area where we will develop the campsite. Yeah.
Dako gid siya.
Anyway, we will transfer on that other side to go fishing. Come on, let's go. My English is in a critical level of
Break muna ka sa pag-tour guide ng aming tour guide dahil kain na kami ng lunch. Yan, so nagpe-prepare si Madam. Yan. So budol fight daw yung style namin ngayon para ma-experience ni David. So picnic in the farm, sa Umani Farm.
Oo, na kay slimy daw.
Yeah, you finished all of the
Balot.
So how's the food?
Right?
What can you say? You review the food.
So
Food
amazing.
review.
Welcome. This is David, and this is his cooking channel.
Anything.
We have on the right side we have amazing duck. What sauce is the duck?
adobo.
Adobo duck on the right side, and we have tilapia and catfish on the left side. Now, if you look carefully, there's a lot of rice in the middle. Do you know why there's a lot of rice in the middle?
Why?
Because we don't want to get full from the rice. We want to get full from the food.
So what can you say about his review?
Good review. Very good. Very touching. Satisfying.
Really? What else?
What else? What else do you want? I already said many things. How many words?
Gutom ba ka?
Show us. Oh, very action.
What? You know that? What?
Four diamonds.
10,000.
20 mil. Uy, nakita ni weekend na may tawag ko yung pusta. Pero i-post naman yung umani.
Happy kayo eh.
Are you guys ready?
Ready.
The first card, right?
Yes.
If I take
So
all
what
of
if
them out,
it's not true? You will swim the...
I will,
You will swim the pants full of the... Ano?
I will swim down. Yeah, I will swim down before you get one.
Okay.
I know that.
All right, ready? The first card, right?
Yes.
It is the
4 diamonds.
Four of
Oh my God! David Blaine! Amazing! David Blaine is here!
Ko sa UP, amo naging trick ko sa ila na amaze gid siya.
Ano gid? Amazing.
Secret.
Bakit ka late?
Kaysa mga naka-wig ka lang.
Kamusta ang celebration?
Champion. Champion.
Sample!
Sample. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ha. Fishing.
This is the lagoon. It's a it's a natural lagoon. And right now it is full of water lily ba? Water lily.
Basta water hyacinth good para sure.
Yeah. Parikoy dito, parikoy oh. Sa dalong puno dito.
So, pupunta kami ngayon sa kanilang forest part. So ang plano nila dito is gagawin nilang parang camping area. Kasi as you can see naman ang lapad ng kanilang farm at plano nilang i-develop ito into full-blown tourism attraction dito sa Koronadal City. Ayan. So, check natin yung area dyan para malaman natin kung ano ang itsura niya.
Did you get that on video? No. You got it on video?
No.
Pwede siya mag-slide. Nagkatiyog siya.
Kaya, besh. My turn. Kung style na lang niya, besh. Kaya mo ba? Kaya mo niya.
That's the attitude.
Nagya po'y poise no? Chusera gid siya. Chusera gid. Ligad ana gid. Chusera gid ba?
Ma-challenge si ate mo sa imo. Firm, dapat poise firm.
Hindi ko kaya, bala ko mo daw.
Curvy.
Dili man siya ano. Sige lang. Dakuha lang ang lakang.
Dai ang life matiyo gid dai.
Besh, maragapon mo itong hugot. Hugot event sa Tinalak ba?
Ano na itabi ko ka wala.
Hey, put more of your weight on the right side.
Kagat labi na siya oh. Kaya mo na besh.
Go, Kat!
Besh, mahulog ang ano.
Dili paspasilag tikang.
Sure, David.
I told you, babe, put more of your weight forward. The log's gonna roll under.
The log's gonna roll, babe.
Perfect! Wala mo ko'y magsalo sa ato.
Magsalot natin, Besh.
Pag mahulog ka na. Okay, stand up.
Wala mo ko'y magsalo. Good.
Go, Ate Con.
Kita siya.
Kaya mo na, Tay.
Amazing.
Okay, manang wala uyat-uyat to.
Bye, Besh.
Blindfold! Blindfold! Oh! 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 Ay! Ay! Nagkay kasi.
Dali, boy, sir. Ano naman, last ko, ha?
Dito ba? Wala kang line exit din. Different exit?
In English,
Yeah. Hearing.
Yeah, this is the projected area of our campsite.
anong projected man? May projected cost?
Projected. That's it.
Seen on the
We can have our events here like birthdays or whatever. Rustic style. Dinner or lunch, like that. Yeah. Like that and like that. Like that. Uh-huh.
Actually, pwede ka na maglatag sa ano diyo sa banik.
Explain first what's that? What?
In what language?
Multiple languages.
Nihongo.
Sige.
Ilonggo.
I am showing to you my invention. Since we don't have straw, ay bawal na sa Koronadal, pero may mga plastic yapon. Malagi na to ni JR ang from this, make this part a funnel, and then make it tusok right here, and then you have a
Perfect.
Radish to na.